Hello everyone. Today our lesson is going to be on distance and midpoint formula. This is chapter 1.1 in your textbooks. Cool. So before we get into doing some examples, I am going to show you what the distance formula is. So the distance formula is x2 take away x1 squared plus y2 take away y1 squared, and this is all under a radical. So when you're going to be given 2 points, and you can use this formula to find the distance between those 2 points. So if I had an example, I have an example for you, and the first point is, point A is -2, 1. And the second point is 1 and 5. So we can figure out the distance between these 2 points by using the formula. So if we labeled each of our points x1 and x2, we can directly substitute them into our formula. So I'm gonna do that for you guys, for you all. Go do it. As you see, I am just doing the simple algebra within the radical, and then I am left with radical of 25, which is 5. So based on this, I know that the distance between those 2 points is 5. You can just end that video. So that's 1.
So the next part of the 1.1 section is going over the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This formula finds the midpoint of any 2 numbers. The basis behind this is finding the average of each coordinate point. So say you have 11 plus 18 divided by 2, so you're trying to find the average of 11 and 18, then you add them, so it becomes 29 over 2, so the average is 14.5. So this applies to the points. So for an example, you want to find the midpoint of 2 coordinate points. So let's say you have the points -2, 5, and 3, 7. Plug in these points to the midpoint formula. So you have -2 plus 3 divided by 2, comma, 5 plus 7 divided by 2. This gives you 1/2, comma, 6. Alright, and this is your midpoint between the points -2, 5, and 3, 7.